Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese from milk and vinegar step by step. Heat 4 cups of whole milk to about 185 degrees F, then remove from heat and add 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. Stir once and wait for curds to form. Strain through cheesecloth, press gently and salt lightly before chilling for best texture. I walk you through curdling temperature, timing, and vinegar amounts in a friendly way, keeping measurements simple and reliable for beginners. Heat milk to around 185 degrees F, stir gently, then add vinegar slowly while monitoring curd formation. I explain how to test curds, how long to rest them, and how to avoid over-acidifying the milk so your cheese stays tender and mild. This makes a soft, fresh cheese ideal for salads, sandwiches, or snacking. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help more people learn. On another note, Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control. It's a handy kitchen companion for fast cleanup after cooking projects. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching everyone. Now let's get back to the video. Next, I show draining, pressing, and salting steps with clear timing and simple tools, making it easy to follow at home. Line a colander with cheesecloth, pour curds, let drain until mostly dry, then fold cloth and press with a plate or jar. I demonstrate light and firm press options, recommend 30 minutes for a tender texture, and explain how to salt evenly for balanced flavor. Store chilled for a few hours before slicing and enjoy within a week.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.